Hey guys, welcome to another video on this channel. I haven't posted in a while, like a long while. Anyways, I'm back now. I'm going to be posting sweet content 3 times every week. Yo, you're going to be mesmerized. Yo, meet my rival, Vivian Shea. I will not rest. I will not sleep until I get to our subscribers. I'm currently at 594 right now, but I'm close. See the difference? Not that much. I'm very close. Before the end of this year, yo, I'm there. Watch your back, Vivian. I'm right behind you. So that's what I have to say in this video. I just want to tell you guys that yo, I'm coming in hot, bro. Flaming fire. I'm coming in hot. So that's all. Peace.